Okay, so we're back for part 2, route number 8. Exactly where we were when we left off. Have a good look around because there's loads of different areas where people could be coming from. Signaling for that car in front. Pedestrians walking up behind. Taking the next road on the right. There is a section of road with hatch markings where we could go in at this point because the van parked up. We couldn't go in at that point. We're going as early as we possibly can do. Slowing it right down, second gear, off the gas, letting it roll in at about 8 miles an hour. We are there. Looking down the road before we go. We're down into a 20 mile an hour zone as we come into this road. It's only for a short period of time. Keep it in second. It will help to make sure that you don't go over that speed limit. And again, as we're coming through, 30 miles an hour, but don't increase your speed yet. Something could be coming out of this road. Make sure you're going, just take, just because it says go 30, doesn't mean it means get to 30 as quickly as you possibly can. Keep an eye on what's going on. Potential hazards. Looking down the road, we've got another road on our left hand side, can't see down it until we get to about here, and we've got oncoming vehicles coming up. We're slowing down, nice distance away from the white car in front, about 2 car lengths. Again, handbrake on here, get everything nice and ready. As they move, we start to go. Because I left that nice bit of room from the vehicle in front, as they're starting to approach, I can start rolling forward if I needed to. So we're going to go in left at the end of the road. Slow it down. Into first. Off the gas. I can just let the car roll. Here, cover the brake and clutch, but I can just let it roll and just, I can see, nice and easy, leaning forward, looking down the road, just letting the car roll, slowing it right down, first gear, 4 miles an hour as we're coming up to it, okay. Bringing that clutch back up, letting the car roll on its own momentum. Coming through Sutton Village, it's a 20 mile an hour zone at this point. Can't see around these corners. Easing off the gas. Wait until I can see down the road before I start increasing my speed. Off the gas here, letting that car just do what it needs to do as I pull out. Again, we've got a parked vehicle on the left hand side. We've got a blind bend over to our right hand side. Just don't increase your speed. Just show the examiner that you're aware of what's going on in the road, what you need to be doing. Staying over to the left hand side, easing off the gas before the bend, looking down the road before you increase that speed, getting going. So we've got an oncoming car, mirror before you come back in, mirrors before you go back out again. Again, we can't see around this corner, so easing off the gas. We're about 13 miles an hour, it doesn't matter, yeah? Nice and gentle, nice and easy, just coming around 10 miles an hour at this point. Coming around, ease off the gas again. And at the end of the road, we're going to be turning right. At this point, I'll be easing off the gas. You cannot see either side at this point. Easing off the gas, covering brake and clutch, being aware of the white car. Could have started turning early, coming over the white line in the middle of the road. Nice and easy. And 1 mile an hour, I'm just letting the car roll forward a little bit with that clutch. And then just stop it basically. Handbrake on, we've got a slight incline, like white van's letting us go, a little bit more gas. Going through this area just here now, Being aware it's a really, really tight area. Like here now, we've got the red car approaching. I'm just going to slow down, stop, okay, let them come through. And the second car. And then just going. So we're going to go right at the end of the road. One of these roads where you really need to be able to get out. Might need a lot of gas, might need that handbrake on. So we've got Roundabout coming up, then we give way to the right hand side. We've got priority over that oncoming vehicle up here. There is a signal. Slowing it right down, into second at that point, easing off the gas, just letting the car roll around the corner, making sure they're going to stop, making sure you go around the roundabout. You must go around the roundabout. And this is a prime place for us to pull you up on the left hand side. Mirror, mirror, and stopping about there. Leave it there for the end of part 2.